Felt just a little bit warmer today.
Yeah, after the little dusting of snow last night, today things started to even melt away again.
Yes.
As temperatures warmed back at, and in some areas above freezing. We saw some sunshine earlier. What we're tracking, though, for the next couple of days, well, first of all, a slow clearing for tonight. Heading into the day tomorrow, some sunshine, and that'll leave us mostly clear for New Year's Eve. And then for New Year's Day, cold and sunny, but not as cold as it has been. We'll see those temperatures try to inch up just a little bit heading into the upcoming weekend. Still see snow on the ground up in Seneca from our Spring Creek Golf Course Seneca cam, and a little bit of snow still dusted on the ground in Topeka as well. 32 degrees. The winds are calm. Made it up so far to a high of 33. Started out at 19. Did pick up 3/100ths of an inch of rain, generally in the form of just about a quarter to half inch of snowfall over most of the city. Low 30s and upper 20s, 28 at Hiawatha and Holton, 31 in Manhattan. Clay Center, Council Grove both at 32 degrees right now. The winds light and variable, and those light breezes for this evening will allow for temperatures to fall back once again once the sky is clear. And we're tracking a clearing trend. You see the breaks in the clouds off to the west and to the northwest. That will continue to start to see that erosion of cloud cover, starting to see breaks even back around Salina and parts of southeastern Nebraska. So it's not going to stay as cloudy as it was during the afternoon. Through the evening hours, we'll see that break in the cloud cover as KSNT Future Track shows by 8 o'clock. Just a scattering of clouds. Clear for a while tonight, but still some scattered clouds into the morning. We'll call it partly cloudy, so not an entirely clear night, and that's why we'll hold in the upper teens. But look at this, sunshine for New Year's Eve day. Clear sky for New Year's Eve. Heading into midnight should be completely clear area wide, and we'll carry that over to a sunny New Year's Day on Friday. Now, as far as the overall look at this, we've got temperatures tonight falling back down to about 18 degrees. Winds will be light and variable as we clear out. Some of the western and northwestern counties may fall back into the middle teens tonight because of an earlier clearing. And clearing skies makes a huge difference on temperature. And so while tomorrow we warm back into the mid-30s, we do expect for tomorrow night to see that clear sky once again for the little apple drop over in Manhattan. We do expect to have a cold night. I think we'll be around 19. We were projecting 17, but I think we'll hold just a little bit warmer because the daytime may be a couple of degrees warmer. No matter how you look at it, 17, 19 under a clear sky and light wind, it will be chilly for anyone headed over to Aggieville Thursday evening for New Year's Eve. Now, as we head into the next few days, your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast, we'll see middle 30s for New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. Low 40s on Saturday. A little weak cold front will come in, turning our winds back to the north Sunday into Monday, and we'll fall back a little bit into the 30s and then rebound into the low to mid 40s by Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Nighttime lows in the teens and 20s. Kind of typically late December, early January kind of weather, but a dry 7 days out ahead of us. Let's look at the snowy start to the day, or at least the snow-covered start to the day after the snow showers last night at the Shunga Creek in Topeka and in through our KSNT Storm Track app. A look at some of the yearly rainfall totals. Now we're done with any expected precipitation for 2015, and if that holds true, we stay dry tomorrow as well, this will rank us right in at number 3 all-time for Topeka's records. You can see only about 1.25 inches shy of being number 2, nowhere near 1973. And you may look at that and find it odd that 1993 isn't on the list. A lot of people associate all of the flooding of the great floods of 93 as being the rainiest. It's not even in the top 5.
Wow.
Very rainy year this year, which was good to get us out of the drought. Unfortunately, you see what happens when the region's that way. We were talking about all the flooding to our eastern Missouri. They've also had a very rainy year.
And after we've seen what happened to our neighbors, we have nothing to complain about.
No, we're in pretty good shape.
Thanks, Matt.